नमस्कार, मी संजय ठाकरे, गणित शिक्षक, जनता विद्यालय धाबा, कोंडाया महाराज, तालुका गोंडपिंपरी, जिल्हा चंद्रपूर. In mathematics first means algebra, the sixth chapter is statistics, and here miscellaneous problem 6 and question number 6. The distance covered by 250 public transport buses in a day in table. Find median of the distances. Now here distance is given in kilometer and number of buses here. From this table we have to draw a suitable table for the to find the median. Now here classes are written here and frequency is also given. Now for the formula we want the cumulative frequency which is less than. Now take a frequency of first class is 40, here 40. Then 40 plus frequency of second class means 60. 40 plus 60 means which is equal to 100. Then 100 plus 80 which is equal to 180. Then 180 plus 50 means 230, and 230 plus 20 means which is equal to 250, and hence here the total means the summation Fi is equal to 250. Now here we have the n. Here n means the summation of Fi is equal to 250, and hence n by 2, we have n by 2 means 250 divided by 2 which is equal to 125 is the value of n by 2. Now hence median class is we have to find out the median class. Now here value of n by 2 is 125 means 125th is the median class. Now here 40, then 100, after 100 125 is in the class 220, 230, and hence this is the median class means 220, 230 is the median class. Now here frequency means value of F is 80, and hence cumulative frequency means Cf is preceding cumulative frequency, that is 100 is the cumulative frequency means value of Cf. Now here value of L from this median class. L means the lower class limit of the median class, and hence L is equal to here 220, and F, value of F is 80. Then cumulative frequency means Cf is equal to 100, and H, the class interval means 200 to 210 means 10 is the value of H. Now the formula for the median is equal to L plus into bracket n by 2 minus Cf upon F into H. Now putting the values we get, now put the values L means 220, then plus in bracket n by 2 is 125, then minus CF means here 100, then divided by value of F means here 80, bracket complete, into H means here 10, which is equal to 220, then plus, now here 125 minus 100 means only 25, and divided by here 80 into 10, which is equal to 220, then plus, now here 0 get cancelled, then 25 by 8. या ठिकाणी 25 ला 8 ने जर आपण डिवाइड केलं तर देन वी गेट 3.125. Now adding, we get, now add to 220, then which is equal to 220 plus 3 point means 223.125. Now we have the value 223.123 and third digit is 5. Then we have to add 1 in the second digit, means 12 plus 1 means 13 here. This is the answer. And hence the median of the distances is equal to 223.13 kilometer, like this. Then next example means seventh example. Now here seventh example is given in textbook. I am drawing only the suitable table. Now here class means price in rupees, 20 less than, 20, 40, 40, 60, 60, 80, 80, 100, and frequencies are given, means number of articles 140, 100, 80, 60 and 20, like this. Now we have the correct class. 0 less than means classes should be like this, from 0 to 20, then 20 to 40, then 40 to 60, then 60 to 80, then 80 to 100, like this. Now we have the cumulative frequency less than. First frequency is 140, then second is 100, means 140 plus 100, which is equal to 240, then 240 plus 80, which is equal to 320, then 320 plus 60, which is equal to 380, then 380 plus 20, which is equal to 400. And hence here value of n means the summation fi is equal to this total of frequencies, all frequencies is equal to 400. And hence now we have here the value of n is equal to 400, and hence n by 2 is equal to 400 divided by 2 means which is equal to 200, and hence 200 at the 200 the median class is there, and we have to find out now where is the median class. Now here 140 is here, and hence after this 200 is in the class 20 to 40, and hence 20 to 40 is the median class, and hence median class is here 20 40. Now from this class we have to write the value of L. L means lower class limit of the median class is 20. Then value of F. Now this class and here frequency of this median class is 100, means this is value of F, and preceding cumulative frequency is 140, means 140 is the cumulative frequency, means value of CF. Now right here F is 100, then CF is equal to 140, and value of H means the class interval. Suppose 40 minus 20 means 20 here. Value of H is equal to 20. Now putting all these value in formula of median. Now here formula is median is equal to L plus in bracket n by 2 minus F upon F into H. L means here 20, then plus in bracket n by 2 is 200, then minus CF is 140, and upon F, value of F is 100. Bracket complete into H means here 20, and which is equal to, now this 20 then plus 200 minus 140 means here 60 divided by 100 into 20. Now on solving we get, now 0 0 get cancelled, here 0 0 get cancelled, and hence which is equal to here 20 then plus 6 to the 12, and hence which is equal to, now here 20 plus 12 which is equal to 32. This is the final answer, and hence the median of the prices is equal to 32. 32 is the answer. Then next example means 8th example. Now in the 8th example, find the mode. Now we have to find out the mode of demand of a sweet. Now here table is given. Now for this answer, now weight of sweet in grams, ग्रॅम मध्ये दिलेला आहे, and number of customers 0 to 250 is 10, 250 to 500 60, 500 to 750 25, 750 to 1000 20, and 1000 to 1250 is 15. Now we have to find out the mode, and hence from the given table the modal class is. मग या ठिकाणून आपल्याला मॉडेल क्लास फाइंड करायचा आहे. मॉडेल क्लास फाइंड करण्यासाठी आपल्याला या ठिकाणी फ्रिक्वेन्सीज पाहिजे आहे, 10 60 25 20 15 like this, and here greatest means the highest frequency is 60, and hence 60 is the highest frequency, and class is 250 to 500, 250 to 500, and hence here this is the value of F1, and before frequency is F0, then next frequency means 25 is the value of F2. Now putting these values from the table the model class is, now here model class is 250, 500. Now here value of L means the lower class limit, which is equal to 250. Now here 250. Then value of F1 is 60. Then F0 is 10. Then F2 is 25. Now here value of H means the class interval. We can find from here 0 to 250 means 250, or from 500 to 750 means also 250, and hence value of H is 250 we can find easily. Now the formula for the mode is equal to L plus in bracket F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2, now into H. Now putting the values we get L, value of L means 250, then plus in bracket F1, value of F1 is 60, then minus F0 is 10, then divided by 2 into F1 means 2 into value of F1 is 60, then minus F0 means 10, then minus F2 is 25. Now bracket complete, into H, value of H is 250 here. Now which is equal to 250, then plus in bracket 60 minus 100 means here 50, then divided by 2 into 60 means 120, then minus 10 minus 25 means minus 35, then bracket complete, into 250. Now on solving we get means which is equal to 250, then plus here 50 upon 120 minus 35 means which is equal to here 85. Then into 250 which is equal to 250. then या ठिकाणी आपल्याला सॉल्व करावं लागेल. 5 ने आपल्याला डिवाइड करता येईल. 5 1 जा 5, 3 35, 5 7 जा 35, then 5 10 जा 50 here, and hence plus 250 into 10 means 250 into 10 means 10, then divided by 17, which is equal to, now here 250 then plus 2500 divided by 17, we have to find out the value means 147.088235 like this, which is equal to, now here after the decimal point 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 digits, we have only 1 2 digits. If third digit 5 are greater than 5, we have to add 1 to 1 into the second digit, means 5 plus 1 means 6, and hence now here 250 plus 147 means adding we get 397.5 0.06 here. This is the answer. And hence the mode of demand of sweet is equal to 397.06 gram. This is the answer. Ninth example, we have to now here we have to draw the histogram for frequency distribution. Now here use of electricity in unit is given and number of families also given. Now here we have to draw the histogram directly. Now draw the here histogram on the graph paper with pencil. Now take the x-axis here, this is x-axis, and vertical line is the y-axis. Now here draw the suitable graph on the graph paper. Now here classes are from 50 to 170. Then here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 classes, and number of families up to 600. Means we have to adjust. Now here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like this, and hence take 20 electricity units on the x-axis 1 centimeter, and on the y-axis take 1 centimeter is equal to 100 families. Now here from here 0 to 50 we cannot take on the graph paper, so take here क्रिंक मार्क. म्हणून या ठिकाणी क्रिंक मार्क घ्यायचा आहे. दिस इज क्रिंक मार्क. या ठिकाणी पेन्सिलनेच आपल्याला ड्रा करायचा आहे ग्राफ पेपर. And hence now draw the rectangles now. Now first class is 50 to 70. हे 50 आणि हे 70 घेऊन आपल्याला रेक्टेंगल ड्रा करायचा आहे अप टू 150. 150 means between 100 to 200 means this. From this to this we have to draw the rectangle. Then next is the next class 400. Now 400 is here. I will draw the rectangle up to 400. Then 460, next is 460 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 means 60 here. Then 540, 500, then 1, 2, 3, 4 lines means a rectangle will be up to this level. Then 600, next is 600 means here I will draw the rectangle up to this level. Then 350, this is 300 and 50 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 50 is here. Now I am drawing the rectangles. या ठिकाणी रेक्टेंगल्स आपल्याला ड्रा करून घ्यायचे आहे. अशा पद्धतीनं रेक्टेंगल्स आपल्याला ड्रा करायचे आहे. आणि हा now like this we have to draw the rectangles. अशा प्रकारे पेन्सिलने आपल्याला रेक्टेंगल्स ड्रा करून घ्यायचे. याला कलर वगैरे करण्याची गरज नाही आहे. लाईक दिस. देन This is the histogram for the frequency distribution. Then 10th example. Now here for the 10th example, draw the frequency polygon by coordinates points. Now we have to draw the frequency polygon. आता आपण हिस्टोग्राम ड्रा केला होता. आता आपल्याला फ्रिक्वेन्सी पॉलिगॉन काढायचा आहे बाय कोऑर्डिनेट्स पॉइंट. या ठिकाणी कोऑर्डिनेट पॉइंट्स घेऊन आपल्याला फ्रिक्वेन्सी पॉलिगॉन आपल्याला ड्रा करायचा आहे. आणि म्हणून त्यासाठी आपल्याला क्लास मार्क पाहिजे. क्लास मार्क्स आर नॉट गिवन, ओनली द क्लासेस अँड frequency are given. Now here classes are 8 to 10, 10 to 12 like this. Now take the class mark. 8 plus 10 means 18, then divided by 2. 18 divided by 2 means 9. Then 10 plus 2, 10 plus 12 means 22 divided by 2 means 11. Now increasing by 2, 11 plus 2 means 13. 13 plus 2 means 15, 15 plus 2 means 17, 17 plus 2 means here 19. Now confirm from this again. 14 plus 16 means 30, 30 divided by 2 means 15. This is correct. Now take the coordinates of points, means the class and frequency. Now here class mark is 9 and frequency is 5, means 9, 5 is the coordinate. Then 11, 16, then 13, 30, then 15, 40, then 17, 35, then 19, 14 like this. Now we have to draw the graph on the graph paper, and connecting all points we get a closed figure, that is the frequency polygon of the given data. Now take a graph paper. So this is the graph paper. Now here draw a x-axis, means the horizontal line means x-axis, and vertical line is y-axis. Now here on the x-axis we have to take right here scale also. Now on the graph paper we have to adjust our points. So here I am taking the classes on the x-axis, and classes are from 8 to 20 like this. So I am taking here on the x-axis 2 days. 2 days on the 1 centimeter is equal to 2 days, and on y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 10 workers. Now here 10 workers means 1 centimeter is equal to 10 workers, means 10, then here 20, then 30, then 40, then 50 like this. Now highest frequency is here in this table is 40 only. Now write here the number of days. Number of days here start from 6 to 8. So take the crank mark here. This is the crank mark, and this is start from the 6, means this is 6, but here class mark is 9, means take from the 7. This is 7. Then next class mark is 9. Then 11, then 13, then 15, then 17, then 19, and then 21. Now here from the table we have to draw the rectangles, not rectangles. We have to take we have to draw the frequency polygon only by the coordinates points. Just now we found the coordinates. Now 9 phi, this 9 and phi is here. Take this point and coordinates are here 9 phi. Then second is 11 16, this is 11, then 16 is 10 11 30 12 13 14 15 16, this point and coordinates are 11 16. Then 13 30, this is 13 and 30 is here, this point 13 30. Then 15 40, 15 and here 40 is here, this is 14 40. Then this is 15 40. Then 17 35, this is 17 and 35 is at this place, this is the 17 35. Then 19 14, 19 and 14 is, this is 10 11 12 13 14, point is here, this is 19 14. And then this is 21 0 point. Now and here 70 is here, 70, this point is 70. Now by joining these all points we get frequency polygon. Now join all these points serially. This point, again join these 2 points. Now join these 2 points. Then join here also. Then these 2 points. Then joined these 2 points and then joined these 2 points like this. And this is the frequency polygon for the given data. This is the answer. Then next example is 11th example. Now here the 11th example, from the group frequency distribution show the information by a histogram and also by a frequency polygon. या ठिकाणी क्वेश्चन असं विचारला आहे की आपल्याला हिस्टोग्राम पण काढायचा आहे आणि त्याचे जे अप्पर सेगमेंट आहे रेक्टेंगलचे त्याचे मिड पॉइंट घेऊन आपल्याला जॉइंट करायचा आहे आणि फ्रिक्वेन्सी पॉलिगॉन ड्रा करायचा आहे. आणि या ठिकाणी टेबल इज गिवन, टाइम रिक्वायर्ड फॉर द एक्सपेरिमेंट in minutes and number of students are given, which is frequency. Now I am drawing the graph for this. Suppose this is the graph paper. I have taken graph. Now draw the histogram on the graph paper. Now for the drawing the histogram or draw the graph, we have to adjust or draw the suitable graph. Now here take x-axis, horizontal line means x-axis, then vertical line is y-axis, here y-axis. Now take the time required for experiment in minutes means the classes on the x-axis and number of students on the y-axis. Then here the time start from the 20 to 32 means from this we cannot take a 20. So now mark here or take the crank mark and take first at the 1 centimeter means start from the 20. Then here class is 22 means take 1 centimeter is equal to 2 units, and hence I have written here scale on the x-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 2 minutes and y-axis on the y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to, now we have to take number of students are highest means here 22 students, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 centimeter on the graph paper, and hence we have to take here suppose 5, 10, 15, 20, 5 students. 1 centimeter is equal to 5 students here. I have taken 5 students. 5, then 10, then 15, then 20, then 22 students. Now 0 is here. This is 20, then 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34 like this. Now we have to draw the rectangle. Now here in the first class 20 to 22 from this to this height means the number of students are 8. 8 means 1 centimeter is equal to 5 means one line is of 2 students. No, 2 lines means 2 small lines means 1 student. Now here 20 to 22 8 will be here this line, this is 7.5 means this is 8, this line is of 8. कॅल्क्युलेशन आपल्या सोयीनुसार जर घेतलं 10 वगैरे जर घेतलं तर आपल्याला इजी जाईल, किंवा 1 सेंटीमीटर इज इक्वल टू 1 स्टुडंट घेऊनही आपल्याला लॉंग ग्राफ पेपर यूज करता येईल, आपल्याला जसं सुटेबल आहे त्यानुसार. मग या ठिकाणी आपल्याला लाईन्स ठरवावं लागेल. 1 सेंटीमीटर इज इक्वल टू 5 मीन्स या ठिकाणी 1 सेंटीमीटरमध्ये मिलीमीटरच्या ज्या लाईन्स आहे 1 2 3 4 अशा 10 आहे. 10 साठी 5 स्टुडंट आहे आणि म्हणून 1 स्टुडंटसाठी आपल्याला 2 लाईन्स या ठिकाणी यूज करावं लागेल. मग या ठिकाणी 5 झाले आहे, त्याच्यानंतर आपल्याला 8 पाहिजे म्हणजे 6 लाईन, याच्यानंतर पाहिजे 1 2 3 4 5 6 लाईन्स. देन 16 आपल्याला 16 घ्यायचे आहे. 16 मीन्स या ठिकाणी 15 झाला आहे, त्याच्यानंतर 1 स्टुडंट मीन्स या ठिकाणी 1 2 स्मॉल लाईन्स या ठिकाणी इथे आपल्याला सेगमेंट घ्यावं लागेल. दिस इज ऑन द 16. देन 22 इज हियर. या लेवलपर्यंत आपल्याला रेक्टँगल ड्रा करायचा आहे. देन 18 मीन्स 20 पेक्षा 2 ने लहान आहे आणि 2 स्टुडंट मीन्स 4 लाईन 1 2 3 4 लाईन्स, म्हणजे या ठिकाणी आपल्याला घ्यावं लागेल. ही लाईन मीन्स 18. देन 14 मीन्स 15 पेक्षा 1 नी लेस मीन्स 2 लाईन्स 1 2 लाईन्स या ठिकाणी इथे येईल मीन्स द 14. देन 12 मीन्स 10 plus 2. Now 10 is here, then plus 2 students. 2 means we have to take the 4 lines, 1 2 3 4 lines. Now here, now draw the rectangles. now या ठिकाणी रेक्टेंगल्स आपल्याला ड्रा करायचे आहे. अशा प्रकारे आपण रेक्टेंगल या ठिकाणी ड्रा केला आहे, म्हणजे हिस्टोग्राम आपण काढलेला आहे. हिस्टोग्रामच्या नंतर आपल्याला फ्रिक्वेन्सी पॉलिगॉन ड्रा करायचा आहे. या ठिकाणी हा जो ऑल जे रेक्टेंगल्स आहे आणि त्याचे मिड पॉईंट जे आहे, हा मिड पॉईंटच्या ठिकाणी आपल्याला इथे मिड पॉईंट घेऊन घ्यायचे सर्व याचे, आणि हे जे मिड पॉईंट्स आहे त्याच्यानंतर आपण या ठिकाणी जॉईन करून घ्यायचा आहे. हा जो क्लास आहे 32 to 34 याचा जो मिड पॉईंट आहे हा इथे पण आपल्याला मिड पॉईंट घ्यायचा आहे. या ठिकाणी 20 आणि इथे आपल्याला घ्यावं लागेल. नाव हे जे पॉईंट्स आहे हे मिड पॉईंट्स आपल्याला जॉईन करून घ्यायचे आहे. या ठिकाणी जॉईन करून घ्या. इथे जो क्रिंक मार्क घेतला तर हा जो 20 आहे आपण इथे घ्यायला पाहिजे होता, म्हणजे थोडंसं इथे आपल्याला घ्यायला हे सुटेबल झालं असतं. Now join all the midpoints. सर्व जे मिड पॉईंट्स आहे ते जॉईन करून घ्या आणि जी क्लोज आपल्याला फिगर मिळते दॅट इज द फ्रिक्वेन्सी पॉलिगॉन. अशा प्रकारे हे मिड पॉईंट आपल्याला जॉईन करून घ्यायचे आहे. अशा प्रकारे हा जो आहे हा फ्रिक्वेन्सी पॉलिगॉन या ठिकाणी गिवन जो डाटा आहे त्या डाटानुसार आपल्याला या ठिकाणी मिळालेला आहे. देन नेक्स्ट एक्झाम्पल मीन्स द 12th एक्झाम्पल. 12th एक्झाम्पलमध्ये ड्रा ए फ्रिक्वेन्सी पॉलिगॉन ऑफ group frequency distribution table. Group frequency distribution table is given. Now in the example classes are not continuous and hence to draw the frequency polygon it is important or essential to draw the continuous to take continuous classes. Now here class is 24, 25 to 29 classes are not continuous and to continuous. Now subtract 0.5 from the lower limit and add 0.5 on the upper limit of each classes. Now here the continuous class will be 19.5 and 24.5. then 24.5 to 29.5, then 29.5 to 34.5, then 34.5 to 39.5, then 39.5 to 44.5. Now take the class mark here. या ठिकाणी आपल्याला क्लास मार्क घ्यायचा आहे. मग क्लास मार्क फाइंड करताना आपल्याला ॲड करायचं आहे. क्लास मार्क घेताना हे दोन्ही ॲड करा. ॲड केल्यानंतर त्याला 2 ने डिवाइड आपण करतो. या ठिकाणी 20 प्लस 24 मीन्स 44 डिवायडेड बाय 2 मीन्स 22. या ठिकाणी 22 होईल. या ठिकाणी 25 प्लस 29 दिस इज 54 डिवायडेड बाय 2 मीन्स 27 means increasing by 5 means 27 by plus 5 means 32. 32 plus 5 means 37. 37 plus 5 means 42. And 42 plus 5 means the 47. And here 44.5 to 49.5. Now here we have to take the coordinates. We have to draw the frequency polygon by coordinate points method. Now take here the coordinates. Now in coordinates class mark and frequency means here class mark is 22, 38, then 27, 46, then 32, 35, then 37, 24, then 42, 15, then 47, 12, like this. These are the coordinates to draw the frequency polygon. Now here take the graph paper. This is the graph paper. And now are drawing the graph. Suppose this horizontal line is x-axis. Always horizontal line is x-axis. Then this vertical line is y-axis. Now here take point of intersection as 0. Now here we have to draw the frequency polygon by coordinates. मग या ठिकाणी आपल्याला पॉइंट्स ड्रा करायचे आहे आणि स्टार्ट फ्रॉम हियर 22 means suppose this is 22, then 27 increasing by 5 means here on the x-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 5 years and on the y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 10 donors. Then 27, then plus 5 means 32, then 37, then 42, then 47, then 52, like this. Now 1 centimeter is equal to 10 donor means here 10, 20, 30, 40, here 50. Now in this gap we have to mark by this the crank mark. Draw here crank mark like this. Now draw the rectangles. Now to draw the rectangles, now here not rectangles, direct method means the coordinates 22, 38. Now 22, 38, 38 means here 1 centimeter is equal to 10 and hence it is very easy. 38 means 30, then 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 means this point is 38, means coordinates are 22 38. Then next is 27 46. 27 is this on the x axis and 46 on y axis. 46 40, then 6 1 2 3 4 5 and 1 means 6 this point, and coordinates are 27 46. Then 32 35 32, then 35 means here after 30, this is 32 35, then 37 24 37, then 24 means 20 here 1 2 3 4 24, this point is 37 24. Then 42 15, 42 and 15 is 10 1 2 3 4 5 means 15 is here and coordinates are 42 15. Then 47 12 10 11 12, this is 47 12. Now we have to join all the points, then take here again join this 52 0 and here minus 5, 22 minus 5 means here 17, this point is of 17 and the coordinate of this point means here 17 0. Now join all the points, then we get a closed figure. Now here these 2 points, then join these 2 points, then join these 2 points, then these 2 points, then these 2 points, then join these 2 points and join these 2 points. This is the frequency polygon of the given data. This is the 13th example. Now here 13th example is here. Average rainfall of 150 towns shown by a frequency polygon. Now average rainfall in centimeter is given, that is in the form of the classes, and the number of towns means the frequencies are also given. Now we have to draw the frequency polygon by coordinate points method or by the histogram method. Now I am showing frequency polygon or this data by frequency polygon by coordinate not by the histogram method. या ठिकाणी हिस्टोग्राम मेथडनी मी या ठिकाणी हे शो करतो आणि हिस्टोग्राम मेथडसाठी वी हॅव टू ड्रा द रेक्टेंगल्स मीन्स द हिस्टोग्राम. या ठिकाणी हिस्टोग्राम काढायचा आहे आणि त्याच्यानंतर फ्रिक्वेन्सी पॉलिगॉन आपल्याला ड्रा करायचा आहे. मग या ठिकाणी टेक ए ग्राफ पेपर, टेक ए हॉरिझॉन्टल लाईन मीन्स द x axis, Then vertical line is y axis. Now observe the given table. Now classes are from 0 to 100, means here 0 is here, this point is 0, and start from 20, 40, this first point is 20, then 40, 60, 80, 100, it is up to 100. Then 100 and this point is 120. Now take the number of town on the y-axis. Now here highest frequency is 48, means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take 1 centimeter is equal to 10 towns, 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. Now write here scale. On the x-axis wise, x-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 20 centimeter rainfall, and on the y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 10 towns. Now here from the table, rainfall from 0 to 20 and frequency, number of towns means the frequency is 14. 14 means 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 4 lines. Draw the rectangle up to this level. Then 20 to 40 means 12, 20 to 40, rectangle level is at 12, 12 means 1 to 12. Then 36, 36 means 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, rectangle should be at this level. Then 48, 48 means here this line is at 48. Then last is 80 to 100, 80 to 100. For this class, the level of the rectangle is at 40. 40 means here from this up to this level. Now draw the rectangles now. हे सर्व या ठिकाणी रेक्टेंगल्स आपल्याला ड्रा करून घ्यायचे आहे. पहिले आपण हिस्टोग्राम ड्रा करत आहोत. अशा प्रकारे आपण या ठिकाणी हिस्टोग्राम या ठिकाणी ड्रा केलेला आहे. देन टेक द मिड पॉइंट्स ऑफ अपर लेवल ऑफ द रेक्टेंगल. दिस इज द मिड पॉइंट, दिस इज ऑल्सो मिड पॉइंट, दिस इज ऑल्सो मिड पॉइंट, and this is mid point and this is mid point, and take again at 1 centimeter here 120 and here 0. Now join all the midpoints, then we get a close figure which is the frequency polygon. These 2 points, now join these 2 points like this, then join next 2 points like this, again join next 2 points, means these 2 points, then join these 2 points like this, then join these 2 points means at origin means at 0 ला सुद्धा हे जॉईंट करून घ्यायचं आहे. अशा प्रकारची जी क्लोज फिगर आपल्याला मिळते या ठिकाणी वी गेट द क्लोज फिगर. दिस इज द फ्रिक्वेन्सी पॉलीगॉन फॉर द गिवन data by the histogram method. Thank you. From Sanjay Thakre.